How to make health and wellness website on Wix. Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna step by step show you how to create a website on Wix.com. So it may sound complicated, but in fact it's really easy to do, and in a few minutes I will show you how to do it. Firstly, you need to create an account or log into your account on Wix.com. As you can see, I already did it. I'm in my account. So guys, feel free to create an account on Wix.com because it's completely free. You just need to use your email address and create a suitable password. So next you just need to click this blue button, create new site, and you will be redirected to another page, Wix site creation. Now Wix website offers us to try an AI help, but in this video we don't really need it, so just click to set up without chat. Now we need to choose what type of website do we want to create. As you remember, we need to create a website for health and wellness, so just type. I already can see this health and wellness business. Also we have such variants like health and wellness store, health and wellness blog, natural health and wellness consultant, health and wellness video blogger, wellness retreat, health community. So guys, if you have a like store, choose this one. If you have blog, choose this one. For example, I will choose this one, health and wellness business. I don't know why, just for an example. The next step is that we need to create a name for website, basically the name of our business, of your business. So put the name of your business here, and here you need to put business address. I'm gonna name it an example just to show you and move on, don't really need this website. Also you need to set up your default working hours of your business, and here you can start adding services. Choose any of our customizable services or create one of your own. So here you can choose such services as Reiki healing, don't know what is it to be honest, reflexology, deep tissue massage, initial consultation, comprehensive diagnosis, initial evaluation, free discovery call, online consultation. Also here you can create new service. So guys, choose whatever you want here. Basically choose whatever your business is offering to clients, to customers. I will skip this step. Here you can add staff members, very easy, just put name and email. And also you can choose what do you want to do with your business, like accept online payments on website, send automated emails and SMS reminders, sell digital and physical products, accept in-person payments, manage your services and bookings on the go. So basically for health and wellness business website, I think you need to choose this one, maybe this one. So guys, feel free to choose these useful tools, whatever you need here. And now we are all set. We can move forward straight to the Wix dashboard. Wix dashboard is the perfect tool for creating a website. So now we are back to our dashboard, and we can see that we still have 6 steps to fill in so that we can have our website. However, I'm sure every user will be able to fill in all of those. That's pretty simple. For example, here we need to connect a custom domain. Just put in this bar your domain and click this button. Also you need to add your first service and set up your payment methods. But now we will move straight to this point, design your website. So now we need to decide exactly how we want to design our website. Pick a template or generate a design with the help of AI. I will choose this one. customize a template because I really like to browse thousands of designs and pick one to customize. Wix.com can offer thousands of templates, and I'm sure every user will be able to find the template that he is really like. So here is the results for health and wellness business. You can see the templates. To be honest, all templates are really nice. You just need to choose the template that you think is the best and suits for your business. I will choose this one. You can click blue button view to check this out, check the site, and if you like it, you can edit the site. Click this button. Also, if you don't like any of these templates, you can click this button, blank templates, and you can make your website from scratch. But for this video, we will move straight to this one. Click this button, edit this site, and you will be redirected to Wix website editor. You can see it's loading here. Now we need to wait until everything loads. Wix website editor is the best option to create a website because you don't need to know any of programming languages such as Python, C++, C#, HTML. You just need to use a website for creating another website. I think this is the best about Wix.com. That's why I highly recommend it to you. And so everything is ready. Now we can move on the most interesting part. You can edit almost everything here. Here you can select which page we are on our site. Also on the left we have functions such as add elements, add section, pages and menu, site design, add apps, my business, media, CMS. Also here we see how our site is divided into several parts, from header to footer here. Also we can see such sections as a welcome section, features section, testimonials, book a service, contact section, and this is only home page. Also we have such pages as plans, services page, blog, essential reading. Also you have blog pages, blog post, bookings pages, and of course you can manage these pages. For example, you don't need these blog pages, you don't have your own blog, so you can easily delete these pages like this. You're good to go. Also you can delete section, any of section, like this. Delete. You can delete anything here. If you want to edit this specific section, for example welcome section, you need to double click on it like this. And now for example you want to edit this text here, also double click on it, and here you can type another text. You can change the style, change fonts, font size. Also you can edit this button, you can move it, text, you can change the size of this text, like drag it. For example, you can delete this button and create another one. You need to click this button, add elements. You need to find the button here, for example, join us, and drop it anywhere on this section. For example, here you can have your guidelines here, purple, or is it pink? I don't know. Also, you can link this button here. You can link it to another page. You can link it to another website, or even phone number or email. Basically, of course, you can change the color of this button, size, and the place. Here you can, for example, you can change the services here. This button, manage services. Of course, you can add section, any of section, for example, this one, about section. Choose a section here and drop it anywhere on the page, for example this one, and for example I want to drop it here, and here you have it. You have new section here, and of course you can edit it. For example, you want to change this image here, easily click this button, change background, and you will be able to choose another background here, or create new one, upload a new one from your computer. Of course, as I already showed you, you can change this text, this social bar here. You can delete this one, you can delete this one. So in general, the site has a lot of functions, so I recommend to try to explore it yourself. The entire interface of the site, as you can see, it's very clear to any user. And when you are done editing your website, you need to click this blue button, publish, to go live with your site so anyone can see it in the global internet. So guys, I think that in this video I showed you enough of the basics of using this site. I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next videos. Goodbye.